Before reactivating the pump, remember to check the water level in the water tank. Press on the lungo button. Open the lever and position it towards the back as long as the water has stopped flowing. After a few seconds, the water will start flowing in the system. Close the lever. The water should now flow from the coffee outlet. Press the lungo button again to stop the flow of water. Your pump has now been reactivated. You can now continue to enjoy our range of Grand Cru, specifically designed to optimize the extraction quality of your machine and guarantee the ultimate Nespresso coffee quality, cup after cup.